So let's look at activity 12C. So the question says, open the file you saved in activity 12B. Reflect or flip horizontally the image of the snowman. Place a 1-point red border around this image. Okay, so let's locate the activity 12B first of all. So I'm going to go to my work folder and then open activity 12B. Right? Good. Before I continue, I want to save it as activity 12C. So I want to save it in my work folder. So I'm going to call this activity 12C. Enter to save. All right. So the next thing I want to look at is the question. So I want to flip the image of the snowman. So I'm going to just click on the snowman and then of course get to picture. All right. Picture format here, and then from rotation in the arrange group, I want to click on rotation and then go to flip horizontally, and of course the image is now facing the right side. Okay, so the next question says that we should also place a 1-point red border around this image. So there are a couple of ways you can do that. So when the image is selected, we can of course go to picture border here and then take red, and then of course from also that same place we want to make the width to be 1 point, and then we can achieve that. Okay, so there are a couple of ways we can do that. So you can either right click on the image and go into format picture, and obviously going to the fill and line. So from line you can make it a solid, you can make sure that solid line is clicked here, and then of course make it red color, and then of course make the width here to be 1 point. Right, so that's another way you can do that. So other ways you can do that is also clicking on the image and then going to home tab. You can see that shape outline is also here, so you can actually change change the outline of the shape also, and then also change the width. So either way you can still achieve the same thing. All right, so I'm just going to leave it like this, and then that answers the question. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.